Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add open to work on LinkedIn. So first, make sure you're on your profile. If you are not on your profile already, just go over here to this me and then to view profile. Now click on this blue open to button and click on finding new job. Here just choose your job title and what you are finding, and make sure here you select this is crucial, all LinkedIn members. Select this one so it will appear that you are open to work. Click on save. Of course you have to add your job title, so choose your job title and then save. Now once done, you can here no thanks, and now as you can see, open to work. This is how easy it is to really add this open to work hashtag on your LinkedIn profile. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.